Our purpose at Owatonna High School and our activities is to develop better young men and women. That's it. You know, that is our purpose.
Well, it gives you a lot of different skills like organization and time management, all that stuff. And then yeah, just the people you meet really impact you.
It requires a lot of responsibility, and that's part of what we're trying to teach. Safety is a big deal. It's kind of a game that requires a lot of mental management, I guess is how you want to put it, because you really compete with yourself, and the more you can manage yourself, the better you'll get.
Being involved in activities has many benefits, but one thing I'd definitely say is just the relationships you form with being in them. You know, all the new people you get to meet, you know, both students your age or coaches. Also with some setbacks and other stuff, it's you know, helped me learn to always persevere and stick with things.
Joining extracurricular activities helps students develop skills outside of academics, such as leadership skills, communication skills, teamwork, public speaking. Also, students are able to develop a sense of self-worth and also self-confidence.
You can help the younger kids too who look up to the high schoolers and want to be at this level one time too, and it's really nice being able to see them be excited to get better and being able to help them.
I think students should be involved in activities at the high school because I think they grow as people, they create some great friendships, they create some great relationships with their coaches and advisors, and I think they get to strengthen a lot of the skills that they have, whether that's in athletics or music or other areas as well.
I just think it gives me a lot of friendships and relationships that I wouldn't have normally made, and it also gives me lots of different skills such as teamwork, hard work, dedication, things like that I'm able to use in my everyday life and in the future.
So I think students gain a lot of benefits from being involved in their school. There's a sense of community and being part of something bigger, right? You have a team, a family counting on you and working with you to improve.
We have so many different activities that our kids can be involved with so they can connect with something at the school other than coming to school. Obviously, our number one priority is for our kids to get a great education and be prepared for their next step in life. But the activities allow them to then also be connected to the school in another light.